Now take your seat. Whatever seat today is comfortable for you, as long as you have support for your back. And try to drop whatever you were doing before and arrive immediately where you are now. Taking in your environment, the room you're in, the material you're sitting on, any sounds around you. And begin once again to observe your breathing. And you can notice whatever you care to notice. You can begin following the breath from the tip of your nose as it travels through your body. You can observe how your torso moves in 3 dimensions, expanding forward and back, side to side on the inhale, and contracting again in 3 dimensions. This practice will focus on using your breath to find your center. As you follow your inhaling breath, what is the ultimate destination of the inhaled breath? Where does it go? Where does it end up? And as you exhale, try to find the point where the exhale begins in your body. Where is the origin of the exhale? The meeting point between the end of your inhale and the beginning of your exhale is your center. So find this place. This is the place where the breath turns. And spend a few moments just observing where that is in your body. If you've become lost in thought, once again just observe the thought like a cloud and watch the cloud dissolve as you begin to focus once again on finding your center, observing the point where the inhalation meets the exhalation in your body. For those of you who may feel that their center is around their heart, in their chest area, this means you should focus more on breathing from the abdomen. So for the rest of the session, concentrate on breathing through your abdomen. And you should notice your center shift lower. Perhaps it's around your navel. Perhaps it's a little higher, a little above the navel. It should be in your abdominal area, so see if you can spend the next few minutes breathing through the abdomen and pinpointing the exact center where your inhale and exhaling breath touch each other. And this center, once you've found it, is the core of your being, the source of spirit. Once you've found it, focus completely on this place in your body. The breath was merely a tool to help you find it. And the breath will be a tool to help you recover it again if you've lost it while drifting away into thoughts. If you have found your mind drifting away into thought, simply start again by becoming aware once again of your breathing and noticing the end of the inhale where it stops and where the exhale begins. Once again, finding your center. And for the last minute or so of this practice, simply start again. Find your center again, and for the last minute, don't even worry about the breathing. Don't pay so much attention to the breathing, but focus all of your awareness on the center of your body, the center of your soul. Okay. Congratulate yourself for dedicating another 10 minutes to yourself today. And as you go about your day today, whenever you feel scattered or floating too much in the wind, and you want to feel a little more grounding, a little more centering, now you know you can use your breath at any moment to reconnect with your center. Have a great day.